So here we're gonna. This is us back. You probably just came from the other video I just posted there about the spice bag part 1. So this is part 2 here, and I'm just gonna show you remember everything like we did last one, like all of this. I put all the spice bag stuff in. I'm just gonna mix this. Oops, you just want to shake that around a bit. So it coats all the chips, and then I'll get back in. I'll get over to the chicken now. I just want to do this because it's gonna take a bit longer. Okay, so now we're going to be putting our spice bag in. Spice bag mix in here. Okay, so I'll show you now. So you just have to flip the camera around there. So now just going to have to put it in here. I'm going to turn it on down there. Okay, now it's turned on. Just click this button. And make sure it's on 200 degrees. I'll set this now. Okay, I also nearly forgot. You need 200 degrees 30 minutes. And we need to put oil in here. So I'll put some oil in here. Now, once you put the oil in, just make sure you don't put too much, just so it coats them. You want to put this in now and make sure it's all set, and then you just want to hit your play button. And now this will be going on for half an hour. And now we'll get over to the chicken now. Okay, right. So right here next, I've put a load of this spice bag thing you put in. I've already put it in here. So now I'm gonna put all this chicken in here and cover it all, just a few batches at a time. Like that should be enough at a time. I'll leave this for the next time. So I'm going to do this because I can't really do it with one hand. So, right, I'll do this now. Okay, so here, I just realised you probably want to put, you don't need to, but like, you could put all of them in at once. Because that literally took me 2 seconds. And I realised I can't do it with one hand because I kind of forgot I don't have a glove on the other hand. So, like, yeah. And actually, I'm just going to do it and do this, save time. Okay, right, let's do this. So once you're done after this, put them all back in this tray, and I'm going to actually put some milk on this, so I'll get it all wet, and then I'll put it back in here so you can get a double coating on. I'll get the milk and I'll show you how to do there now. Here, I've just poured a very small bit of milk here, and I'm just going to mix this all up together again. Just very small bit, and just not overcrowded. Just make sure it's all wet again. Well, might need a bit more milk actually. So I'm just going to do this, and I'll put it all in together after now. Once I put all of this back in here, and I'm going to mix this up again. We're not going to use this tray to put them back in, but this is a bit wet. I've now transferred all this chicken into here, so it should be all ready to go in the pan. Well, yeah, so you're going to have to put a bit of oil in a pan like thing, just to shallow fry it a bit, so to get the skin on it, like the crispy bit. That's how you get the crispy bit. So I'll do this now, and I'll show you after. And it'll be dangerous enough, so just be careful when you're doing it. So I'm gonna do a part 3 of this where I do the cooking, because there's just a lot of it to put together, and I know it's like part 2 already. It's like